What if I told you that the biggest mistake most aspiring landlords make happens before they ever buy a single property? They skip the foundation, and without it, everything else falls apart. Today, I'm walking you through the exact step-by-step path to owning your first rental property. No fluff, no vague advice, just a clear roadmap you can actually follow. Let's start with step 1. Get your financial house in order. Before you look at a single listing, you need to know your numbers. Check your credit score. Lenders want to see at least a 620, but for the best rates, aim for 740 or higher. Then look at your debt-to-income ratio. If yours is higher, focus on paying down debt. This step alone separates serious investors from weekend dreamers. Step 2 is building your investment criteria. Don't skip straight to browsing and wasting months chasing the wrong deals. Decide upfront. Single family, multifamily, which markets? Your criteria becomes your filter, saving you enormous amounts of time. Step 3. Understand your financing options. You have more choices than you realize, like conventional, FHA, or portfolio loans. Step 4 is analyzing deals. This skill separates profitable investors from people who just own expensive headaches. The more deals you analyze, the faster you can spot a genuine opportunity versus a trap dressed up in fresh paint. Step 5. Build your team before you need them. Connect with an agent, property manager, contractor, and attorney. Step 6 is negotiating your offer. Come in with data, not emotion. Know your maximum price and be prepared to walk away. Step 7. Close and optimize. Once you own the property, your job shifts to managing it like a business. Your first rental property probably will not make you wealthy overnight. But the systems you build will set the foundation for everything. Start with step 1. Do the work. The results will follow.